Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop automatically save files in OneDrive on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop automatically save files in OneDrive on Windows 11 computer, click on the OneDrive icon on taskbar. Here you will find OneDrive Personal and you will find the settings here. Click on the settings and click on settings again. Here in left pane, click on sync and backup and you will find here save photos and videos from device. Now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. And save a screenshot and capture to OneDrive. Now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Click on manage backup and all backups are turned on here. Just turn off. Click on stop backup. Now all backups are stopped. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.